6 reasons why you should use daily planners. When it's complicated, it's always smart to go back to basics. Sticking to the basics lets you discover answers to the most complicated things. Working professionals face productivity issues and they feel they fall short of time for everything they want to do. There are few effective ways to get most of the things get done, and one of the most underrated practices are daily planners. If you are one of them who think that you can remember everything that has to be done throughout the day and you can get it done easily, but at the end of the day, you live with the regret that you were not able to fulfill the promise you made to yourself. Let's start with the 6 reasons why you should use daily planner. Do you find there is very little time to get things done? If that is the case, it means you are not allocating your time to the important tasks in hand. Using a planner helps you set your priorities high and finish them before touching any other work. This also helps you eradicate unwanted tasks that would tempt you and would be just a waste of time. You'll have clarity of the thought and the task for the moment so that you don't get distracted and you could make best possible use of the time allocated for the respective task. For example, we can use a very popular and very powerful technique called Pomodoro technique. I'm sure you must be knowing about this, but there is little more to it. Let me continue. The people who don't know about Pomodoro technique, it is a technique in which we block 25 minutes for a particular task and take 5-minute break to do whatever we want to do, and get back to the task again and schedule 25 minutes for the next task, and so on by following this technique. This way you could get everything done bit by bit in a day. You touch all the important tasks, but let me add one twist to this. I call this hack as extension. When you have finished 25 minutes of your task but you still feel you are focused and you're enjoying the present task, then you can push a little more and continue doing it even if you're going up to 2 hours at a stretch or even more, until you really feel that you should take a break. This will get a lot done in that short period of time because it had your full attention with full potential. The quality of work would be outstanding and you would feel happy and proud about that. I'm telling you this technique with my own experience. Reason number 2, you can take your productivity game to the next level. Most of the people are confused productivity with being busy. Unfortunately, both are different. Just being occupied with random things that might not be even important is what being busy is. But being productive is more about setting intentions and focusing on most important tasks and getting it done. Planning helps you track individual work more effectively and you become more efficient with it. Regardless of what work it is, your planner keeps you on track. When you complete a certain task in the set time, you feel satisfied and joy of accomplishing something that motivates you to hop on the new task with a lot of energy and positive attitude. Reason number 3, planners are stress relievers. We usually have a lot of things going on in our life and it is very common that we get overwhelmed with so much has to be done. When you try to remember everything, it reduces your efficiency of your brain of being productive in the current task. Instead, just put all your worries on a paper and let them sit there and keep your brain light and happy so that it can perform better. Reason number 4, planners bring number of health benefits to you. Abraham Lincoln once said, the best way to predict your future is to create it. Planners help you develop a routine that in turn changes into habit. They say you cannot change your future. You just change your habits and they change your future. To build your habits like successful people, I highly recommend a book called 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This book will help you be proactive, start your work with end result in mind so that you don't need any external motivation. The result itself will be the motivation. This book will help you in setting your high priorities first with the help of wonderful strategies. And also you'll find a lot more powerful strategies in the book. I've given the link to the book in the description of this video. Do check it out later. Let's come back to the planners. Planners will help you schedule your doctor's appointment or dentist appointment so that your minor health issues are taken care of before they could turn into any life-threatening diseases and you live a healthy and happy life. Reason number 5, engage creative side of your brain. With planners, you can plan a day in a week to get engaged with your hobbies like sketching, painting, or even trekking, and feed the creative side of your brain that in turn helps you be more productive and more creative in your profession. Reason number 6, planners make you disciplined and consistent. They say consistency is the key to success. No matter what you do, you need consistency in your efforts to get the desired result. To help you make your each day productive, not only day, your week and month too. I have a beautiful format of daily, weekly and monthly planners, well designed so that you take printouts or use it as a soft copy and start using them to get more out of each day. If you could just improve 1% a day, it could be 365% in a year. Just imagine. It could be incredible if you could achieve it. And by achieving it, you will be at least 5 years ahead of the average people in your field. To claim your free copy of these planners, join my private Facebook group. If you are watching this video on YouTube, you will find the private Facebook group link in the description. Or if you're watching this on Instagram, you'll find the YouTube channel link in my bio. I'll see you in the private community. Let's get prepared to make the year 2023 the most productive year of your life till date. See you there.